Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a feedback loop with Slack easy tutorial step by step clearly. Creating a feedback loop with Slack is an effective way to improve communication within your team. Start by defining the purpose of your feedback loop. Decide what kind of feedback you want to gather. This could be project updates, team performance, or even product suggestions. Next, create a dedicated channel in Slack for feedback. To do this, open Slack and click on the plus icon next to Channels. Select Create a Channel and name it appropriately for feedback. Make sure to set the channel to public or private based on your team's needs. Once the channel is created, invite all relevant team members. Encourage everyone to use this channel for sharing feedback. Post a message in the channel outlining the type of feedback you're looking for. Provide examples to help guide your team. Regular check-ins can make your feedback loop more effective. Schedule weekly or bi-weekly meetings to review feedback collected in the channel. During these meetings, discuss what feedback has been received and any actionable items. Utilize polls and surveys within Slack for specific topics. You can use apps like Simple Poll or Poly for this purpose. These tools allow you to gather instant feedback from your team. Make sure to acknowledge received feedback. This shows your team that their input is valued. Communicate any changes or actions taken as a result of their feedback. Continually encourage open communication in the feedback channel. Adjust your approach based on the feedback received over time. Monitor how your team interacts with the feedback loop. Regularly assess whether the current setup meets your team's needs. If necessary, make adjustments to improve the process. By following these steps, you will create a successful feedback loop using Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.